I was so tired of walking to the TV to change the channel, and this remote came just in time. Easy to connect to TV and soundbar. I was surprised when my remote stopped working with my fairly new TV. This is the same exact remote, and now I'm back in business. Used it as a second remote. It's just like the original. I bought this as a replacement for the OEM controller for our TV. We used the TV in the travel trailer, and somewhere along the way the controller was lost. So we purchased this one before we went on the next trip. Of course, in packing, we found the original in a travel bag. This remote is identical to the OEM and no setup was necessary. We just put in the AAA batteries and it worked perfectly. Now we each have our own remote. This is the exact same remote that came with the TV, so of course it works great. Works perfect, exact replacement for what my dog ate. There's not much to say except that this is just what it says it is, and works perfectly. But what more can you ask for? Lost my original remote and found this one, and as soon as I received it I put battery and it was ready to use, no code needed. Definitely worth the money, would buy it again. My dog ate the remote that came with our TV, so I ordered this one, and it didn't need programming. It worked right away. No complaints. We lost our remote long time ago. Decided to try buying a new one. I didn't know if it would work with my TV, because wasn't even sure what model it is. But it worked great, just insert batteries and bam, you have a remote. Very happy with my purchase. Thank you. Click link in description for more reviews.